searching for reality in a world filled with uncertainty, and I wonder if the truth can still be found. 'Cause all I see is apathy and incredible hypocrisy, preaching, but no one hears the sound. No, 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 they never hear the sound. Every stranger that I meet just looks at me in disbelief and wonders how long I'll stick around. No one reaches out to me, I guess I'm not what they want to see, preaching, but no one hears the sound. No, 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 they never hear the sound. Why can't they hear the sound? Bitter nights and the lonely days I wander through an endless maze, looking for a place to settle down. Won't someone take a chance on me and listen to my desperate plea? Oh, why can't they hear the sound? They never hear the sound. The cold is now caught up with me, and laying here I can barely breathe, dreaming of a place where love abounds. Things are getting clear to me. With open eyes I can finally see that love is all around. Oh, 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 I hear the sound, and everyone stares down at me in their attempt at sympathy as my body lies lifeless on the ground. And someone says it's such a shame, but he's only got himself to blame. Oh, why can't they hear the sound? Oh, 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 they never hear the sound. Oh, 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 won't you hear